Cabbage, a humble vegetable, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Cabbage comes in various types, offering unique flavors and textures. From green to red, Savoy to Napa, there's a cabbage for every taste bud. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin C, vital for a healthy immune system. It also boasts a good amount of vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Furthermore, cabbage provides fiber, folate, and potassium, essential nutrients for overall well-being. Cabbage is not only nutritious but also low in calories, making it a great addition to a healthy diet. 1 cup of chopped cabbage contains only about 22 calories, making it a guilt-free and satisfying food. Its high water content also contributes to its low calorie count, keeping you hydrated. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or fermented, cabbage offers a range of health benefits. Its versatility makes it a welcome addition to salads, soups, stews, and more. Embrace the goodness of cabbage and enjoy its numerous health-promoting properties. Cabbage is a true friend to your gut, promoting digestive health in several ways. Its high fiber content aids in regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass through the digestive tract. Cabbage is a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that helps soften stool. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to the stool and promotes regularity. Cabbage also contains glutamine, an amino acid that helps protect and heal the lining of the digestive tract. Glutamine is particularly beneficial for people with digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome or IBS and inflammatory bowel disease or IBD. Furthermore, cabbage supports the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. These friendly bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health and well-being. Cabbage is a dieter's dream, offering a low-calorie, nutrient-rich option for weight management. Its high fiber content promotes feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Fiber absorbs water and expands in the stomach, delaying hunger pangs. Moreover, cabbage is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various dishes, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. From salads to soups, stir-fries to wraps, cabbage adds volume and flavor without adding many calories. Cabbage is also a good source of protein, especially for a vegetable. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it also promotes satiety, keeping you feeling full and satisfied after meals. By including cabbage in your diet, you can manage your weight effectively while enjoying its numerous health benefits. Its low calorie and high nutrient density make it a valuable ally in your weight loss journey. Section 4. Immunity Booster Cabbage's Defense System. Cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse packed with immune-boosting vitamins and antioxidants. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, plays a vital role in supporting immune function. It helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules that can weaken the immune system. Cabbage is an excellent source of vitamin C, providing a significant portion of your daily requirement in just one serving. Regular consumption of cabbage can help strengthen your immune system and reduce the risk of infections. In addition to vitamin C, cabbage contains other antioxidants like glucosinolates, which have been linked to reduced risk of certain types of cancer. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage. Furthermore, cabbage supports a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in immune function. A balanced gut microbiome helps regulate the immune system and prevents the overgrowth of harmful bacteria. By promoting a healthy gut, cabbage indirectly strengthens your body's natural defenses. Easy ways to enjoy cabbage. Integrating cabbage into your diet is easier than you might think. Its versatility lends itself to a myriad of culinary creations. First up, the classic coleslaw shred cabbage toss with a tangy dressing. Next, we have the comforting cabbage soup, sautéed chopped cabbage with onions, carrots, and celery. For a quick and flavorful side, try sautéed cabbage. Finally, don't forget about fermented cabbage, such as sauerkraut and kimchi. Section 6. Embrace the power of cabbage. In conclusion, cabbage deserves a standing ovation for its impressive nutritional profile and health benefits. From aiding digestion to boosting immunity and supporting weight management, this humble vegetable is a true health hero. So why not make cabbage a regular guest at your table? Incorporate cabbage into your diet and reap the rewards of its goodness. Whether you enjoy it raw, cooked or fermented, cabbage offers a world of flavor and health benefits. For more insightful health tips and nutritional wisdom, subscribe to The Altruist. We're dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge to live a healthier, happier life. Join us on this journey of well-being and discover the transformative power of food.